Hello guys, welcome back to Math with Trockers. Have you ever wondered how we can find the area under the curve or the volume of a 3D shape? Today, we use integration to do exactly that. Okay, we have a ZIMSEC November 2003 paper 1 question. It reads, the diagram above shows the region R bounded by the axis and part of the curve y equal to 2x plus 3 over x plus 3. Find in its simplest form the exact values of item 1, the area of R, 2, the volume of the solid formed when R is rotated completely about the x-axis, giving your answer in terms of pi. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Right, so I already have the diagram up there. So what I need is the equation. Right, so guys, remember, in order for us to find the area, we need two limits, the upper and the lower limit. So to get this limit here, we set the equation equal to 0. So when we do 2x plus 3 over x plus 3 equal to 0, it implies that 2x plus 3 equal to 0, 2x equal to 3, so x equal to negative 3 over 2. So here it is negative 3 over 2. So on item 1, we need to find the area. So we are going to find the area, which is equal to integral from x1 to x2 of y dx. So here we are going to integrate from negative 3 over 2 up to 0 of 2x plus 3 over x plus 3. So guys, let's divide that. Then we determine the integral technique to use. So if we say x plus 3 into 2x plus 3, that's 2. 2x plus 6, so that's negative 3. All right, so I'm going to integrate from negative 3 over 2 to 0, which is the quotient 2 plus the remainder minus 3 over x plus 3, right, with respect to x. All right, so I'm going to integrate that. Okay, so here, if we integrate there, we are going to get 2x. If we integrate here, by recognition, we get negative 3 natural log of x plus 3, right? But our limits are from negative 3 over 2 to 0, right? So when I plug in upper limit, that's 0 minus 3 ln 3, subtracting this 2x times that, that's negative 3, because 2 times that, minus 3 ln minus 3 over 2 plus 3, right? So when I simplify, I get minus 3 natural log of 3. Then here it's minus 3 minus 3 natural log of what? 6 minus 3, that's 3 over 2, right? So it's now negative 3 natural log of 3, right, plus 3 plus 3 natural log of 3 over 2, right? So it's going to be 3 plus 3, then it's natural log of 3 over 2 minus natural log of 3, right? So we can apply the laws here. So it's going to be 3 plus 3 natural log of 3 over 2, right, divided by 3, which is equal to 3 plus 3 natural log of 1/2. We can leave it like this, or you can do it this way, or you can say it's 3 plus 3 natural log of 2 to the negative 1, which is just 3 minus 3 natural log of 2. So it's either leave it like that or like that. So that's the area. right under the cave. So now on item 2, we need to find the volume, right? Okay. So on item 2, sorry. So to find the volume, right, it is going to be pi integral from x1 to x2 y squared dx. So remember, the function was 2x plus 3 over x plus 3, right, which is equal to, I think it was 2 minus 3 over x plus 3, right? Then, so if we find y squared, it's going to be 2 minus 3 over x plus 3 squared. So it's first term squared, that's 4, plus 2 times first and last. So 2 times 2, 4 times that, minus 12 over x plus 3, plus last term squared, right? So here it is the same as saying 4 minus 12 over x plus 3 plus 9 x plus 3 to the negative 2. So this is what I'm going to integrate. So now it is going to be pi integral from, it was negative 3 over 2, negative 3 over 2 to 0, of 4 minus 12 over x plus 3 plus 9 x plus 3 to the negative 2 with respect to x, right? Okay, so guys, when integrating, make sure to be careful there. All right, so here it's 4x minus 12 natural log of x plus 3, right? Then plus 9. Here it's going to be x plus 3. Negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1 over negative 1 times just 1. All right, so I have the limits from 0, from negative 3 over 2 to 0. All right, let me simplify here. So if I simplify, it's going to be pi, then 4x minus 12 natural log of x plus 3, then negative negative, so minus 9 over x plus 3, right? Then our limits are from that to that. So let me keep the pi outside. So if I put 0 here, it's going to be 0 minus 12 ln 3 minus 9 over 3, right? Then subtracting, so 4 times that, so 2 into 4, that's 2, so that's negative 6 minus 12 natural log of negative 3 over 2 plus 3, then minus 9 over negative 3 over 2 plus 3, right? Then we need to simplify, right? So here it is pi, right? So it's going to be negative 12 natural log of 3 minus 9 over 3, that's 3, right? So subtracting, let me simplify this, negative 6 minus 12 natural log of 6, so 3 over 2, right? Then here again, it's what? It's going to be negative 9 over 3 over 2, which is negative 9 times 2 over 3. This and that, that's 3, which is negative 6. So this one here is negative 6, right? Okay, I'll put the units at the end. So I'll keep the pi here. So it's negative 12 natural log of 3 minus 3, negative 6, negative 12, then plus 12, then plus 12 natural log of 3 over 2. So it's going to be pi, 12 minus that, that's 9, plus 12, then natural log of 3 over 2, right, minus natural log of 3. Okay, and if we simplify, it is 9 plus 12 natural log of 3 over 2 divided by 3, right, which is pi 9 plus 12 natural log of 1/2, which is the same as saying pi 9 minus 12 natural log of 2, right? So therefore the volume in X is equal to 9 minus 12 natural log of 2 pi units, cubic units, right? Okay, so this is the volume, and remember how we found the area here, right? I just want to confirm something. All right, so when we calculated the area here, we got that one. Okay, so basically that's all we need to do about application of integration to finding areas and volumes of solids. So guys, let's continue to do more practice. I will see you in my next video. Take care.